I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious peanut butter balls. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, about 2 cups of powdered sugar, and half a cup of softened, unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and approximately 12 ounces of your favorite chocolate for dipping. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's create the delightful peanut butter core. In a large mixing bowl, combine your 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, half a cup of softened butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these together until they are smooth and creamy. Then, slowly add about 2 cups of powdered sugar, mixing until a thick, pliable dough forms. This dough should be easy to handle and roll. Once your peanut butter mixture is ready, it's time to shape them. Take small portions of the dough and roll them into uniform 1-inch balls. Aim for consistency so they all dip evenly. Place these perfectly round balls onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then, pop them into the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Chilling helps them firm up, making them much easier to dip in chocolate. Finally, for the grand finale, let's coat these treats in chocolate. Melt about 12 ounces of your preferred chocolate, either in a double boiler or carefully in the microwave. Dip each chilled peanut butter ball into the melted chocolate, ensuring it's fully covered. Use a fork to gently tap off any excess chocolate. Place them back on the parchment paper and let the chocolate set completely. Enjoy your homemade peanut butter balls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.